Kristin, and welcome to the Houston Public Library STEM video series. Bubbles are so much fun, aren't they? Do you like blowing bubbles? I bet you do. Almost everyone does. Today we're going to learn how to make our own bubble solution and wand to help us find out how bubbles work. Let's get started. Here are the materials we're going to need today. A permanent marker, masking tape, 3 pipe cleaners, a timer, we're going to use a phone, 3 large cups or jars with a wide opening, measuring cups and spoons, liquid dishwashing soap, distilled water, glycerin, which you can find at any grocery store or pharmacy, and light corn syrup. First, let's twist our pipe cleaner into a wand by pinching it in the middle and bending half of it into a circle. And then we're going to twist the end to secure it. Then let's go ahead and make 2 more wands this way and making sure they're all about the same size. So we have 3 here, all about the same size. Next, you're going to take your 3 cups and label them detergent only, glycerin, and corn syrup using the permanent marker and your masking tape. Now let's add 1 cup of water and 2 tablespoons of detergent to each cup. All right, so they've got all their water now, and next up is the detergent. So we're going to add 2 tablespoons to each one. Next, let's add an extra tablespoon of detergent to the detergent cup. And now we're going to mix them. Now add 1 tablespoon of glycerin to the glycerin cup. Then add 1 tablespoon of corn syrup to the corn syrup cup. There we go. Whoop. And it pours out kind of fast, so watch out on that. And then once you've got it in there, you're gonna mix it up. Now dip your wands into your bubble solution, and you're going to give them a twirl. All right, now let's blow some bubbles. Let's start with the detergent only one. Let's make sure we don't have excess solution on there. So make sure it's not dripping too much. Let's give it a try. Let's try it one more time. So that one doesn't blow bubbles very well. Let's try the glycerin. All right, so that one worked out. And now let's try the corn syrup. That was pretty fun, right? But why did the detergent bubbles pop so much faster than the others? Water is made up of molecules that are polar, which means they're attracted to each other almost like a magnet. The water molecules on the surface all link up and create something we call surface tension. That's why it hurts so much to do a belly flop. The surface tension that water has is also what allows bubbles to hold their shape. When detergent is added, the surface tension gets lowered. Detergent molecules lower the pull that the water molecules have for each other by spacing them out just a little bit. The lower surface tension lets the bubbles stretch enough to form. But the bubbles made with water and detergent are short-lived. When the water evaporates, the bubbles go pop. Glycerin and corn syrup also lower the surface tension, but a little differently, which results in longer-lasting bubbles. Thanks so much for joining the STEM video series with the Houston Public Library. We hope to see you next time.